Integrated floor medical X-ray table, intelligent micro console, highlighting human care, saving space. The structure adopts electromagnetic braking, medical X-ray table floating on the bed surface, flat bed foot release, column manual control operation, to achieve portable and flexible movement, accurate rotation angle. Rapid and reliable positioning, shooting more widely. Intelligent program control, ensure the accuracy of photography time. Repeatability is good, but also can be arbitrarily stored and invoked human characteristics photography parameters. Greatly improve the efficiency of shooting. The optimized configuration of image chain, showing high-quality X-ray photos, significantly reducing radiation dose, and protecting doctors and patients. Medical X-ray table self-diagnosis and display fault code, quickly and accurately judge the fault state, and has self-protection function provide CR supporting. Doctor transformation and other extended products and services to meet the needs of digital upgrade. Newheek medical X-ray table is divided into various types and models, including fixed, mobile, 4-direction floating and 6-direction floating medical X-ray table. Newheek medical X-ray table can meet your different needs.